What is up, y'all? I am finally back with another video, and this one is like it's so like I'm finna post videos probably like twice a week. I'm just playing, y'all, but like I'm gonna try to post once a week. But anyways, we gonna get in this video and I'm gonna let y'all know everything about this wig because it was bomb. Okay, so the wig was from Yolissa Hair. I'm doing a collab with them. This is all the stuff they sent me. It was like 2 silk scarves, an elastic band, 2 stocking caps, a silk bag for your wig after you wear it. Y'all need to keep y'all wigs in the silk bags. I'm telling y'all, it'll help y'all. And then some lashes. Them lashes was bomb too. And a, what you call those things? A card with your how to take care of the hair, basically. Okay, y'all, so the video basically just showed y'all everything that came in the box. That's how the box came. I didn't take nothing out. That was everything that was in it. Okay, so this wig was a 24-inch HD 13x4. Y'all, when I tell you it was so full and beautiful, like, oh my gosh, it plucked and bleached perfect. There was nothing was in the way. I love everything about this wig. Like, if you want you a good quality wig for a good price, Yolissa Hair. I'm put all the information in the description below, so make sure y'all check it out. I'm gonna try not to do too much talking because I know people don't be liking when people be doing all that talking and stuff, but I'm gonna give y'all the rundown, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me on my head. I don't really use it on my clients because it's liquid. I don't like really using liquid foundation on my clients, but you get what I'm saying. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw the wig on. I got a size large for my head. I got a big head, so yeah, a large. Y'all see that? Y'all see them jagged edges? That's how you know that's some good HD lace. Do not stop playing. Stop playing with Yolissa. Stop playing with them. So I'm gonna make sure the wig fit my head, and I'm gonna apply my layers of glue, and I'm gonna come back. Y'all see my makeup? I low-key ate my makeup up. What am I doing? How to glue on my eyebrow? No. Anyways, we're gonna fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing makeup tutorials for y'all, like on my clients. Like when I do their wigs, I'm gonna do their makeup too. Y'all, we finna turn up. I'm so excited. We finna turn up, y'all. So I'm just gonna apply the 3 layers of glue. I probably skipped one of the layers, but it was 3 layers. I always put 3 layers. And I'm gonna spread that out. This is the Bold Hold Active. And y'all know I love my Bold Hold products and my Erica J products. I just ordered some more Erica J, so that should be on the way. I ordered some Bold Hold when it was on sale, so make sure y'all be catching them sales. It was actually the Black Friday sale, so yeah, I got a few bottles of glue. So y'all want to make sure y'all spread each layer evenly. Make sure it's spread out thin. It's not clumpy, no lumps, no nothing, or your lace not gonna lay right. I'm telling y'all, make that foundation is always gonna be key. So you're gonna wait till every layer completely dry, and you're gonna press your lace in there with the comb, not too hard, gently, so it can still look natural and look like the glue is just built up on the lace, if you know what I'm saying. So press that down gently and lightly. Make sure it's in front of the glue, not behind the glue, because you can always go back and add glue. It's harder to clean up the glue around the hairline. So make sure you put the lace in front of the glue. Y'all, I don't know what I was thinking. I usually cut the ear tabs off before I actually glue it down, but I was going to the club this night, so yeah, I don't even know. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Got to Be Glued around the hairline to help it melt some more, and put my elastic band on it and let that dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna take that off and cut the lace off. Okay, and as y'all can see, I took the elastic band off and it was giving like, what lace? Do you hear me? Like, y'all wait, but wait till I cut the lace. Like, just wait, hold on. Now I kind of want like a widow's peak kind of thing going on, you know what I'm saying? So I tried to like cut me a little widow's peak out, but y'all gonna see. Like, what? Bro, it remind you of that TikTok and it was like HD fronter. And this is what I meant when I mean you can always go back in with the glue and fix it up instead of having glue all outside of the lace and stuff. You have to clean it up and it's still sticky and all that. This is how I do when I put the lace in front of the glue, the hairline in front of the glue, so I can cut the hairline how it needs to be cut, so it'll be cut back too far, and then I just go back and add the glue to my liking. And y'all, please don't mind my nails. I'm so sorry. This is embarrassing. I had to cut them down because I like my braids flat under my clients' wigs. So, you know, I don't even play the games. I had to cut them nails down. But do not pay attention to my nails. I'm going to get them done this week. Okay, so right here you're gonna see me pulling out my baby hairs, basically isolating them. I feel like this is the more neater route to go, depending on how you like your baby hairs. I mean, to each his own, depends on how you do them. But when I go for a more neater look, I like to isolate them and comb the rest of the hair back. And then this is how I melt the lace to where like it's undetectable, if you know what I'm saying. Like, you gonna see. So I went in with the Lottie Body Foam Wrap Mousse. And that's how I lay my lace, like how I get it to melt. You see what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Then I'll put some spray on there sometimes after I tie it down about 3-4 times, sit them under the dryer. Or if I let it, or usually I let it air dry if I gotta like do crimps or curls or something, just to kill some time. So I'm gonna tie that down around like 4 or 5, not 4 or 5, like 3 times, and let that air dry. And I'm gonna go in and flat iron my hair. Okay, but I had to slow it down. Like, do y'all see the body and how silky this wig is? Do y'all? I know y'all. Look at the shine. Yes. Now we about to remove this wrap. What I don't know what to call it, y'all. But we're gonna remove it and show y'all how I do. Like how it's just. I do this with no effort. Look at that. Okay. I ain't even done yet, but okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna comb down my baby hairs, just get them ready so I can curl them. And y'all see on the side where the glue, y'all remember when I had wiped the glue from beside my eyebrow? That's what that is. That's what happens when you put too much glue in front of the lace. That's what I was talking about. See, I did that on purpose so y'all would know what I'm talking about for an example. But I'm gonna fix it though. So now I'm just gonna cut my baby hairs to my liking, cause I've been seeing them I seen a comment on my last video talking about baby hairs. Now, poo, sis, my liking. Then I'm gonna style them to my liking. You know what I'm saying? And y'all, when y'all curl y'all baby hairs, I'm telling y'all, it'll be ways easier for y'all to do them, especially for my beginners who have trouble with their baby hairs. Get you that flat iron, the little mini one, and curl your baby hairs. You can curl them under or over, it don't matter, but it makes it way easier, I'm telling you. As long as you don't cut them too short to the point where you can't curl them or you burn somebody or burn yourself, but just make sure you cut them short enough and curl them, and then it gives it that nice fluffy look like everybody be wanting. And then you just follow your pinky with the edge brush, and I'm telling you, it'll be so easy. And that's it, y'all. Make sure y'all check the description. All the information will be there. This wig was bomb. I loved it. This is just one of my favorite wigs so far. But I got a video coming right after this one, so make sure y'all turn on y'all post notifications and subscribe.